Hey guys, today's going to be a relatively short video. I got a lot of stuff in the mail that I've been waiting for a decent amount of time. If you guys remember me mentioning in the first video, I ordered a bat, little metal piece, and it finally shipped all the way from China. It's a cute little guy, but he's going to go right on the back of the car. I also finally got the HT logo from Leo from HeadTurners out in California. Long story, but I'm still a member. Fun stuff. And then I actually got a pretty cool minor vinyl, and it's going to go in the smaller hood scoop of the Hellcat hood. It's a matte black, so it should look pretty mean. I figured I'd do a small video of all this stuff. Later on in the week, I actually have an oil change and a inspection to be done by the guys at Ready Imports. And immediately after that inspection, I'm going to the tint shop in Henrietta to get my windows tinted, finally. It's going to be a fun day, but it's going to be short. So I hope you guys like what's going on. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to attach the HT logo right to the center of the windshield. Pretty easy process. It's just a normal plug and play kind of decal. Nothing serious, but we do need to wipe it down first. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Next thing we're going to do, we're finally going to clean this off. We're going to add the bat. Again, super easy process. It's just like doing the skulls on the fenders. Only thing I got to do is clean it off first, so let's get this done. Alright, so I've never done a vinyl decal on a hood before, so we're just going to see how it goes. This is going to be my first time. If I completely mess it up, it's all good. That's just part of building a car. Let's see how it goes. Alright, unfortunately the hood vinyl did not work. I'm kind of bummed out because it wasn't cheap. So I'm going to leave them a review. I'm going to tell them it didn't fit properly, and I'm going to tell them the actual sheet, the tape that it goes over, was not of good quality. Let's say the transfer paper was not. But that's just part of building a car. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'm gonna head to work. I'm gonna see you guys later.